If your Telegram account is deleted and you're searching for ways to recover it, this video is for you. Before you waste any time on fake apps or paid services, let me explain the real truth about Telegram account recovery, what is possible and what is not. Many people panic because they don't clearly understand what a deleted Telegram account actually means. In reality, there are different situations and each one has a different outcome. When someone says their Telegram account is deleted, it usually falls into one of these cases. Either the user manually deleted the account, or Telegram automatically deleted it due to inactivity, or the user only deleted the app, not the account itself. This difference is extremely important because recovery depends completely on which case applies to you. So, can a permanently deleted Telegram account be recovered? Let's be very clear and honest here. If you manually deleted your Telegram account or if Telegram deleted it automatically after long inactivity, then that account is permanently deleted. This means all chats, groups, channels, contacts, and cloud data are removed from Telegram servers. In this situation, recovery is not possible. There is no app, no software, no website, and no hack that can bring back a permanently deleted Telegram account. Anyone claiming otherwise is misleading you. Avoid Telegram recovery scams. This is where many people lose money. If you see apps, websites, or individuals claiming they can recover deleted Telegram accounts, especially if they ask money, OTPs, login access, or phone numbers, these are scams. Telegram data is stored securely on Telegram's own servers. Third-party apps or services do not have access to it. Paying anyone for Telegram recovery is simply a waste of money. Now, let's talk about situations where people think their account is deleted but it's not. If you only deleted the Telegram app from your phone, your account is completely safe. Just reinstall Telegram, log in using the same phone number, verify the OTP, and your chats will return automatically. Similarly, if you deleted only chats, not the account, then cloud chats may still exist. However, secret chats are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. So, remember this clearly. Deleting the app or chats is not the same as deleting the account. What if the account was deleted recently? In rare cases, if the account deletion process was very recent, logging back in immediately may stop the deletion. This does not always work, but it is worth trying as soon as possible. After some time passes, Telegram permanently removes the data and recovery becomes impossible. What can you do after a Telegram account is deleted? Even if your old account cannot be recovered, you can still create a new Telegram account using the same phone number. However, the old chats, groups, and data will not return. To avoid losing your Telegram account again, enable two-step verification. Log in at least once every few months, keep your phone number active, avoid unofficial Telegram apps, and back up important chats if needed. These small steps can save you from permanent data loss. Let me summarize this very clearly. A permanently deleted Telegram account cannot be recovered. Deleting the app or chats is different and may be reversible. Any recovery app or paid service claiming otherwise is fake. I made this video to save you time, money, and frustration. If this video helped you understand the truth, please like and subscribe.